What's good, y'all? You know, we getting it done. It's your boy Teddy in the cut. I had to think of a name, y'all, but I'm D little brother. We getting it done. We getting it right. Spectating, watching the playing field and stuff.
Not getting nothing done, just standing around.
Just standing around. You know, I had to wear the glasses because he welding, so I didn't even know that. Like, he called me, he was like, "Hey, you know you got to wear glasses, right?" I was like, "Am I tripping?" So, you know, we wearing glasses, making sure we straight. Our eyes got to be on IQ. You know, I don't even know what I'm saying with that, but yeah. So we good.
Just stop talking, bro. Just yapping.
I swear when I serve, nobody serving swing. I'm on your body. Big polo on my body, got a bag on beside me, got a friend right behind me, and I'm swing swing. I'm surf surf, I'm swing swing, I'm surf surf, I'm swing swing, I'm surf surf. I'm clean like this and turning on patrol. And you know I'm wrong, but I'm swing swing, I'm surf surf.
We in? Cover those holes right there. We're chilling. Plates is in. Like I said, I just gotta finish to get the rest of the engine bay. After that, we're chilling. Make sure they gotta fit these bumpers. Make sure they all fit how they're supposed to fit. And then after that, we're off the paint.
Oh, you pulling out the big boys.
Yeah.
You're pulling out the big boys.
I don't want to lose my towel. Try to file them down a little bit.
Right.
If I can get the right piece. I have it upside down? Because this is where I'm tripping.
Oh, yeah. That's definitely the bottom.
That's crazy. So maybe I gotta clear some stuff off. I'm trying to see where I'm hitting at so I can clear that off.
But it looks right like that. Wait, no. Yeah, wait, this is right.
So I see what's going on.
Yeah.
The plates, the shave kit is in the way. Yeah, so we're shaving down some more, guys.
Slightly off on this side too.
We're almost there.
Yeah. Still gotta be a little snug, a little more snug.
Yeah.
And it'll fit perfect.
I got it. We're gonna see. You're not liking me at all.
Nope.
Alright.
Thing is about this side is like on it, but like slightly off to it, so it's like scratching that a little bit. So that's it. Just that. And that's tennis.
They'll definitely say, I gotta get up there. I can see what the hell I'm missing.
So we get to it.
Of course. That'd be too easy, you know?
Right.
That'd be way too easy.
Let's see what we can get you up there. Damn, that's gonna suck.
Normally you can lift it from the dip. Okay. Let's do it.
Yeah, let's lift it up. Let's see how they go.
Not happening. Not happening.
Not happening
Not
at all.
happening. Not at all.
Alright, let's work it. Yeah, that's one side. Twist that out. Thank God for the quarter inches.
Right.
There we go. Take forever. But we got to switch the angle on this one. Sheesh, the things I do for cars. It's such a weird spot. And then they want to have the nerve to be rusted down here. That's crazy. I always be like, D, how are you so good with the ladies? See this little room I'm working with? You gotta be good with your fingers in here, boy.
Bro, you're close, bro. You got it, bro. Come on, you got this, bro.
These are my calories for the day, for sure.
Quit edging the crowd.
It's getting tougher as we get into the end.
Is it because of like leaning or something?
I don't know, it's just a nasty spot. But I'm guessing it's probably rusted or anything. You know, all this stuff on this car probably never been taken off.
Right.
See if I can do it for you. Like this. Oh, man.
I'm seeing it. I'm watching it. Only thing is just push forward. There we go.
They got the vent up for everyone in this car. They make sure you can steal it if you wanted to. They call these diving boards. These are from the early models. Everybody wants the late ones, so those are the smaller ones, and they like, instead of being pumped that way, they way closer. It looks a lot better. So everybody get rid of them. They want them. Shit, I give them away, goddamn. I don't like these at all. That's crazy.
Still don't want to come off. Well, you said you was looking for a spray thing with like nozzle on it?
Yeah.
Is it white, yellow with a red top?
Yeah. Oh, thank you, sir.
Hello, mamas.
Thank you. See you kind, sir.
Look at that.
Got a little bit of that. Come on, look over there by that press, bro. There should be some red grippers.
These red grippers.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, huh?
Hey, way off.
Make sure you grip that thing.
Yeah. Is the pry bar around anywhere?
The
Like
pry?
the small red one right here should be in the corner over there.
Oh, look, I got it in my hand. It's right here. Look, there you go.
All right, sure.
Uh-huh. Oh, look
Let's
at
see
that.
if we can get you in there.
That makes some work.
There you go. Go on in there.
Look at that. They just are coming out.
There you go. Now let's get around here. See where you at. You're doing that. Let me guess. Same stuff, huh?
Still don't want to come out.
Dang. I was trying to get here to the boat.
Damn thing just don't want to listen.
No, it don't. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, that's a little bit of movement now.
Give me some foot pressure. Give me some more.
There you go. Now we getting some movement out you.
It needs some. Yeah, get a little thing. Come on, little mamas.
I know.
Good Lord.
Who was that?
Little
Thank you, sir.
socket. Got some socket. You gotta beat on the mamas. Beat a little bit. It's okay. Don't worry, baby.
That's crazy, son. That's
about this right here?
No, so on the other side, Tish, you put your, if you don't want to put your finger in that, but look, watch this. It's threads, and they all off. So I took the nuts off because look, these are all the nuts.
It's so weird. It's actually strange. How hard it is to. What the hell? Yeah, like, look at it. You see how it's wiggling off? What if it's like a screw and you can twist it off? That's weird.
You got a point though.
Like, that looks like
You do got a point because they're gonna probably be just like these. Watch this shit. I didn't get my damn light. My light though.
Oh, behind. Oh.
That don't matter. You mind shining yours right here?
I was like, is that it?
Tish, I didn't realize something. Can you turn the light on, please? I'm like, why does it seem like it's so dark out of nowhere?
Like you said, beauty is gonna be patience. You gotta, you want it, you gotta be patient and work with this one. She fighting me, and I don't like that.
Listen, I said, that's it right there.
Look at dickheads.
Yeah, I ended up getting this out.
Yeah, all because it has a magical bolt sitting in here. All them YouTube videos, hey, you should do this. Nobody told me. Sheesh. Where's the fast guy forum then? All right, let me get this out. Of course, let me guess. Yeah, you hate me, Clark. Yeah, you hate me.
What happened now?
It has it, but there's a whole shield in the way.
Oh, it has the same logo too?
It's on the opposite side and it has a whole shield in the way. Ah, so frustrating. All right, now we good. Oh my goodness, that's crazy.
That's
bro.
so ridiculous to me.
I knew it had to be something else older than that.
It's way up here, and then this one had a shield on it, and that one way in the other side. Somewhere you won't even know that it was in there like that. That's crazy, bro. All right, now we got that in there. Let me see. Give me one of these.
One of them Ziploc bag.
One of these little blippity bags.
Good things when they come in handy.
Yes, they are. The blip bag.
The holy holder.
Sponsor me, Ziploc.
I need you.
Just like you need me.
And it's actually crazy because look how clean this is.
Oh yeah.
Like, this isn't even like dirty, like that dirty.
Yeah, like I said, I'm actually impressed.
I'll shoot it first.
Look at that wheel. Look like this wheel about to fall straight off. Yeah, they got it. Ooh, y'all got it. Y'all good. Ooh, good job. He lost the shoe.
Sport mode.
I buy you some more.
Hey, y'all did it, but that was a good job.
I ain't gonna lie though.
You got that on there easy.
You got that on too smooth. Because you did that so effort. That shit was so smooth. I didn't. They do this for you so you can.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Innovation.
They've been my best friend for a minute. So you make sure you roll over it, bro. Put that little strap, make sure it's over there.
Yep.
You sling it around the back. You lasso that hole around. And you right in there. Yeehaw!
Hello, 1 to 10. How excited are you?
Oh, I'm 1,000 right now. I've been waiting for this.
Heck yeah, let's do it.
All day.